Good evening, universe.
Hi.
This is the debut of the HyperKnucks channel. I am Mr. Knux, first name Hyper. This is...
I'm Mrs. Knux. You can call me Honey. That's Smokey.
Smokey Knux. Would you like to do a little plug for...
I would love to. All right. So I am the owner and operator of Ditch and Switch Dynasty. You can follow me on Instagram, Ditch and Switch Dynasty. And what I do is help people learn about toxic-free living and also advocate for our servicemen who are deployed, servicemen and women who are deployed, and send them foot care kits so they can take care of their feet while they are defending our freedom. Yes, thank you. All
right, and she should have some information down below the video. I'll make sure to put that in there. And today we're doing an unboxing, our very first unboxing, our very first video. And this is a very special unboxing because this could be the item that may help us start streaming and doing videos a little bit more professionally. We've never actually done videos. Well, my beautiful wife here has some little videos on Facebook.
I'll do little tidbits here in their lives.
But with this product that we might have, we're hoping that we have it.
Sure.
It will really let us start things off. So, without further ado, we're going to take this box here. All right.
Let's see.
Now,
it's got some weight to it.
It's kind of hefty. All right. I take some...
It could be an umbrella.
Some scissors because we're safe. What do you think? If it's not the green screen.
If it's not the green screen, it could be another light for me in my studio. Like a selfie light or whatever with the stand.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm like obsessed with umbrellas, and I've been wanting an umbrella that has sunflowers on it. So it could. Well, it's not heavy enough for that. Yeah. I'm not sure.
Okay, well, I'm hoping it's the green screen. If it's not the green screen, I'm going to be heavily disappointed. You'll never see this video. Okay? Because that would be a blooper.
You'll see the video.
Oh, okay. We're just going to go ahead and cut it.
We're doing it live.
Okay, we're doing it live.
While he's cutting this open, I'm going to talk a little bit more about what I do and why I do it. So, why I advocate for military men and women is because I was in the military for 11 years. And I totally neglected my own self-care. And I now deal with a lot. Oh my gosh! I'm going to focus. I deal with a lot of mobility and disability issues because of it. So I just really love to advocate for those men and women out there and just, send that reminder for them to take care of themselves and to show that, wow, a stranger that I have no idea who this person is supported me and sent me this amazing kit. So, yes, I love supporting our military and our veterans. If you are a veteran female business owner, you definitely want to contact me because I've got something special for you. I'm so excited.
Her information should be down below.
It'll be below.
If you see this video, you'll be able to find her information in the description.
I love packages, guys. Even when they're not mine.
Well, this is ours.
This is ours.
This is the beginning of turning our home into a little studio. Okay. So
this is awesome.
Oh my
Everything
God.
is awesome.
my gosh.
I'm okay.
It's coming with all kinds of stuff.
Below our table is my service animal, Kai. So that's where I'm heading right now
New
because
to
I'm
the
screaming
family.
and he's like,
Yes,
what's wrong with you?
nothing rude is happening.
Yes. No, nothing. You'll see him also on my page if you go and follow it. So
there's no instructions that come with it to put it together, does it? Just
that's
do
bridge.
they just assume?
I'm sure that we're smart enough.
Okay.
I'm sure we are.
We're gonna put this together live. You're having too much fun.
I'm having a lot of fun right now.
Okay. You can't see.
I feel like it's a magical wand. Oh, my wand broke. I'm sad.
So you'll be happy once we actually put this up.
This is so exciting.
Okay, I think I kind of get it.
Oh, those go on the side.
Yeah. That's what
There's a
I'm seeing.
little, so you can tighten it when you get it to where you want it.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Yes. Yes.
Learn that in the
That is how we adult.
Oh my
Can
God.
you?
That's HyperKnucks right there.
Okay. Okay. Down. Down. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
All right, so you go ahead and get that in. I have this in. All right. How'd you do that? Oh, it just pulls out. Okay.
My job in the military was mechanic, so I figure things out. I just touch things and see what happens.
It just takes control. It's okay. I can be overly cautious. Or no. Nah. If it breaks, it breaks.
So I didn't think I was going to be standing up. These are my PJ bottoms. We're doing it live!
Doing it live.
I have no idea. What?
Shoot.
We have no idea.
How to make this work.
Okay.
Like
So,
those bars connected. Like there's no instructions. There's no instructions at all. So,
they had great reviews.
yeah, great reviews, but no instructions.
Alright. Connect. Bam!
Yeah, we got our green screen.
We have a green screen, ladies and gents.
You can't see us now, right?
We're invisible.
We're invisible?
Hi, free?
Oh, wait. No, they can still see our shadows.
We're ghosts.
Here's a ghost. Come on.
I'm a
Let's
ghost.
go. So, let's put the chairs in front. See how this looks.
Okay. It's still, this one needs like some kind of assistance.
Some adjustments.
Yeah. There we go.
That works. Slide that over there. We're about to get really professional in here.
It's crooked.
Yeah. Yes, it is. Because this one isn't as high, I guess.
Yeah, I like to hold this thing up. Oh yeah, there we go.
Oh, do that one too. All the way down.
All the way down?
Yeah. There you go. Push it all the way down and then tighten it.
Oh, and it makes it higher.
Yeah.
Holy cow!
It's awesome.
Hold up. I don't know what's happening.
Did you push it up? Push it up. Push it down. Push the thing down. No, not that one. Push this down.
Oh!
And you pull this up as far down as it goes. It doesn't go all the way down.
Okay.
We can work with it. We can adjust it.
It's adjustable.
It's adjustable. Want to pull on your side a little bit? Yeah. That almost looks perfect. Okay. Do that.
If you probably just pull that up close.
Oh man!
Bada bing, bada boom.
We got our green screen up. We are ready to make official professional videos. How do you feel?
I feel bada bing, bada boom.
All right, she feels bada bing, bada boom. I like it. We're gonna go get some pizza now. Thank you for being here for our first unboxing, our first video. Thank you for watching the channel. If you like what you're getting here, all right, you can always subscribe. Hit the little bell icon, you know, helps us out. This is really just a crazy fun hobby that I'm going to be doing.
And like this video.
And like the video. Thank you. Help me out. And I really just want to do unboxings, reactions. I want to play video games, archive from streams I'm going to be doing on Twitch. All the information should be down below. Hopefully I'll be able to adjust the channel so you'll be able to have everything you need to find me, from YouTube to Twitter to Twitch. Thank you and have a nice day.
Goodbye, world.
Go right ahead.
All right, so I am currently experiencing an ear infection.
That's gonna get cut. That's gonna get cut. That one too. Here, you press it, I'll pull. Oh my gosh. Now we can just really kind of say whatever we want.
Oh, okay. My cheeks hurt.
Oh my gosh.
Things are happening.
Yeah.
It's green, guys.
Did you already say your page?
Yes, Ditch and Switch Dynasty.
Okay. On Facebook?
Instagram.
Instagram. Okay. Oh my gosh, can we even... Alright, we're filming. Okay. Oh,
Leave it.
this is all gonna get cut right here.
Yeah. Leave it.
This is the day market that Lucky.
This is Lucky.
That's HyperKnucks. Okay. He got on camera. He is the breakout star of this channel. We wanted to debut here. My name is. That's gonna get cut. All right.
You're Mr. Knux.
HyperKnucks. I'm Mr. Knux.
I'm Mrs. Knux.
I like that actually. That's kind of cool. You know. First name Hyper.
You're over here. Go away. Shoo. You weirdo. All right.
Now, when I first saw this box, I thought to myself,
That's Lucky.
yes, that's Lucky. So there, he's not camera shot apparently.
Start over.